Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up two-factor authentication for Instagram and keep your Instagram account safe. So let's get started. Before starting the video, please hit the red subscribe button to see useful tech videos like this. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device. Now tap on profile picture located on the bottom right corner. Tap on three lines menu icon located on the top right corner. Now tap on settings at the bottom. Under settings, tap on security option. Here under security, you will find the option as two-factor authentication. On the next page, tap on get started button. Here you will need to decide which way to use the two-factor authentication for Instagram account. The two choices are text message or authentication app. First, let's check the text message option for authentication. If you want to use this option, then make sure that your mobile number is added to Instagram account. Toggle on the text message. Now enter the 6-digit code sent to your mobile phone via text. A page will be displayed saying the two-factor authentication is on. Now tap on Done button. Recovery codes will be displayed. Take note of these recovery codes and copy these codes on your notepad or simply take the screenshot. These numbers will help you open the Instagram in case you don't have access to Google Authenticator app in the future. Now let's check the authentication app option. From Instagram, toggle on the authentication app. In order to use this option, first download the free Google Authenticator app on your device. For this, open Play Store and look for Google Authenticator and then install the app. Now take note of the 6-digit authentication code for the Instagram in the Google Authenticator app. This number changes every 30 seconds. Now in the Instagram app, add the 6-digit code. Now tap Next. You will get a page saying Authentication app confirm. Now tap on Done button. With Instagram's two-factor authentication tool, your account is protected by the additional layer of security. Instead of simply entering your password, with the two-factor authentication, you must also input the code whenever you attempt to access your Instagram account on a new device. So this is how you can set up the two-factor authentication for Instagram and keep your account safe. Do check out our other interesting videos. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to receive notifications of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.